first step of this entire process is getting the needed customer data from the Customer Relationship Management System. This includes information such as their name, their date of birth, and then anything else that will help produce their insurance quote. Using robotic process automation, also known as RPA, an Excel file is then populated with this data. The data from this Excel file then needs to be sent to the quotation website to get more data values. This particular part of the end-to-end process was not suitable for RPA, as it was reliant on this third-party website which was prone to frequent change. To get around this problem, we created a Python function to interact with the engine behind the website, avoiding the frequent changes in the user interface. When these needed values had been produced by the website's API, they're returned to the original Excel file and then later fed into a quote document for the customer, which is made on Microsoft Word. The code shown on the left of the screen is the Python code that's been written to pass the necessary information to the back end of the MyQuotes website, which is shown on the right-hand side of the screen. This is the Excel file that our Python program reads the data from and will later populate the cells in rows 75 and 76 with data returned from the API. Here we run the main Python program. It reads the data in the Excel file and decides which quotes we need to run. Python then generates an XML for each quote type and validates it to check that the format is correct. It sends the XML to the API where it is processed and gets the data it needs. When we reopen the Excel file, we can see that the fields, which were empty before, have been populated with data. To create these quotes through the web interface would have previously taken a user 30 minutes per case on average. Our Python API solution is able to achieve the same result in under 2 minutes. The whole end-to-end process would have taken a user about 2 hours per case, but now it only takes them 20 minutes.